Welcome to my channel, What Stanley Said. Today I will be reviewing the Ring Doorbell 3 Plus. This is the box and here are the contents for both the back and the front. So we will open this up and look at the contents. Inside you will get a sticker, a user guide, a quick start, and important product information. In addition, you'll get a charging cable for the battery, in addition to a couple screws to attach to either a stucco wall, concrete wall, or without these studs you could use it for just regular wood, as well as the screws and the unit itself here, which opens like this, and on the bottom is the battery. The unit itself is easy to remove the battery. All you have to do is just push the push button here and the battery comes out. When the battery is in, it should flash and the ring is ready to be set up onto the wall.
Your ring device is in setup mode.
Now all you have to do is download the Ring app and get it all set up. The Ring app allows the user to set in a wired or battery power only configuration. In addition to the accessories, it allows the ring to be configured to be level set and also on any type of surface. The anchors that are provided in the kit allows the user to set those into a stucco wall. In addition, the recommended height for the ring setup is to be 4 feet above the ground to provide proper vision to the user. Now that you have the first part set up, the second part is for introducing a new feature for the Video Doorbell 3 Plus, which is pre-roll. This allows the users to actually get an alert that's in black and white before any recording is actually taken. This is really good for any alerts that you set, especially for ones that you don't want to review. In addition, the settings also allows you to monitor how frequent motion is detected. There are also advanced motion settings that you can also configure in the app. Once these settings are done, you can also set different things for the Ring Doorbell 3 Plus. In addition, these settings include access levels as well as other features that are listed in the app. Make sure you get a 1/4 drill bit and utilize it for the stucco wall. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.